Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, God. Now there's 11 people looking at me. Hmm. Yo, yo. Oh, okay. Oh my God, I've got this really weird, like, repeating thing happening, and I know this has something to do with OBS, but I've never done this before. Sounds like farts. Good. Good. Oh, okay. Oh my God, I've got this really weird, like, repeating thing happening, and I know this has something to do with OBS, but I've never done this before. Sounds like farts. Thanks, Scott. Good. Oh my God, I've got this really weird. Oh my God, now there's a lot of repeating going on in my headset. I don't know what I'm doing. Sounds like farts. Thanks, Scott. Good. Oh my God, I've got to be something I can do here. Oh my God, now there's a lot of repeating going on in my headset. I don't know. Can you guys hear that repeating? Oh my God, you can. Well, this is going good. All right, maybe I gotta do. Let me try this. Oh my God, now there's a lot of repeating going on in my headset. That had to have. That had to have worked, right? Oh my God, you can. Well, this is going good. Audio. Shut it down. Maybe I gotta do. Let me try this. Oh my God, now there's a lot of repeating going on in my headset. That had to. Can you guys hear that? Had to have worked. God, right? Oh my God, you can. It's so bad. Audio. Shut it down. Maybe I gotta do. Let me try this. Oh my God, now there's a lot of repeating going on in my I would tell you what the live is about, but I want to figure out this repeat thing because let's not annoy the entire world. Oh my God, you can. It's so bad. Shut it down. It's only getting worse. Let me try this. I would tell you what the live is about, but I want to figure out this repeat thing because let's not annoy the entire. Ah, okay. So I had the YouTube audio on, and I wonder if that helped. Did it? I don't know. Oh, it totally did? Okay, so you guys can only hear me now, right? Like, nothing else too crazy, right? All right, cool. So, I don't know, like, the whole reason that I'm actually doing this is because I have always had, like, I'm not, like, I can edit pretty well, but, like, as you can see, like, here on my desktop, like, this is how I set up grip tips. Um, there is a reason that I use After Effects to key out my green screen, but as you can see, this is like after I do an edit in Premiere, and then I like import into After Effects, and then I have all these clips that I just want to drag and drop my green screen in the background. This is not how I used to do it or this isn't how I do it all the time. This is just a way that I'm doing this current episode, and I'm just curious if there's a way to I don't know if it's an adjustment layer that I have to put down and then put my green screen behind me that will apply to all of these, or if it literally means that I have to do it separately one at a time. And I guess I don't know how to actually look that up in a Google search because I've tried to. Essentially, I'm just trying to apply multiple effect or multiple or a green screen to multiple clips, um, just using kind of one thing because I feel like I could just like copy and paste it somehow, but I have no idea. And it's one of those things where like this right here is one of the struggles of this show, um, because I literally am doing everything at all of it, from the editing to writing it to going up in front of the camera and etc. And this has been one of those things that I've always wanted to know ever since I started doing a green screen. Um, I just don't know if I'm Googling the right thing. So does anybody know what it is I'm trying to do and if there's a way to do it? Yeah, I got inspired to go live with this because I was watching this streamer on Twitch who was doing this, and um, he's an editor, and the whole reason he edits online on Twitch is because people will chime in um, what they think that he should do. So Isaac, basically what I'm trying to do here, let me just explain. Let me just show you how I normally would key out, right? Typically, after I import the background that I'm going to do, I think I dropped in here. Fine, well, we can even go with the last episode that I did. What I'm trying to do is this it? All right, we could pull this in here too, I guess. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to key this out. I usually use Keylight. I'll go in here, I'll drop it on that, get rid of my screen, and then I don't know, I'll kind of fine tune it a little bit. And then, let's see, I'll do a duplicate on that. I will make this a screen mat. Then I will, wait, shit, that's the wrong clip. Make that a screen mat. I will change this one to LumaMat, which does that kind of effect. And then I will go into here, get rid of Keylight in the second clip, because you can see I have like 2 clips of the same one I duplicated. I hope that everybody's kind of understanding what I'm saying, because I know I'm probably going a little fast. But I'll go in here, I'll delete Keylight from that layer. Or wait, shit, I did it wrong already. Right, hang on. I usually add a little brightness and contrast with my green screen. That's not how you spell it. I'll add brightness and contrast, and I'll start to kind of fine-tune the way that I'm keying myself out a little bit more. Like you'll see, like if I go back, if I reset it, you'll see all this noise. This is just kind of what I'm getting rid of right now. So I get rid of that, and then I'll go into this clip, and I will set this to LumaMat, the clip above it. So that's typically what I do. This is a little bit rough. I mean, I'm still bleeding in through the background and stuff like that. Now, here's my real problem, is that I've got all of these that I want to do it to at the exact same time. And I don't want to have to do that exact same process to every single clip. So what I'm hoping is that there's somebody out there who knows what I'm trying to accomplish and has a better way to explain it. Oh, I'm already getting responses. Sorry. It all depends on the lighting setup, but 70% of it works. Thank you for your work. Appreciate that, Logan. You don't need to do the alpha mat thing. Just play with settings at the screen mat and Keylight. You can watch your alpha mat from the view setting in Keylight to get them all together. I'm not even really sure how to pronounce your name because there's a lot of symbols and stuff, but I feel like you're onto something. Pre-composing them all? I don't think I've ever pre-composed anything. Is that bad to say? I'm not even ashamed. This is just something that's aggravated me for a really long time. It's Greek, don't bother. Okay, well, I wasn't going to try. Yes, it's a start. Okay, so I'm down to try this if you're willing to kind of walk me step by step what you think I should do here. And I will totally follow you on this one. And anybody who wants to watch this at the exact same time, that's all good too. I don't know if you're Greek name guy, if you don't mind. So let me just back us up a little bit. Blah 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 blah. Get us back. Let's go back to the beginning. So let's see. Just select them all together. Right. Okay. And go to layer, pre-compose. Like that. I don't know. We'll call Ep75. Sure. Cool. Is this doing what I think it's doing? Okay, so Greek name guy. Are you saying so this just literally consolidated all my clips? Is that basically what I'm understanding? Let's look it all together. There's an old video from Andrew Kramer from Video Copilot for advanced key light using more remove the green edge from. Yeah, that's actually Amar. I was kind of doing that. I just kind of did a shitty way of doing it. In Premiere, yes. Okay. All right. So now I could do the exact same thing I was doing before, right? So I mean, I could. I don't know. Just bring in. Oh, I could have gone back to my project file. Yeah. Okay. So there's that. I don't even know whose number that is. I'm guessing it's probably Rachel from Cardholder Services. She's been calling me a lot. Okay, so now I can do the process that I was doing before, right? So, highlight, and then drag and drop that beast. That's how I really talk. I usually go like 132 on this. And then I'll go, no, that wasn't it, screen mat. I'll shrink it back like 2. And then I usually go screen mat. I do the screen mat because this is the only way I know how to get rid of all the noise inside of my shirt. Just by adding these to get rid of it. I'm sure there's a much better way to do this. I'm just kind of tooling around, learning something new. I'm trying to go fast so that I'm not, I just want to see like the end result, because this would totally be the way that I should be doing it from now on if this is the way that I want to do it. Holy moly. Yeah, I still have a little bit of my shirt coming in. But that does... That's what I'm talking about. There's a very good reason I'm doing this way, because today my teleprompter wasn't working. I started using a teleprompter like 3 episodes ago. So today I had to go back to the old way that I was doing it for the last like 70 episodes. And it is... I wonder if I can show it real quick. I saw it a second ago. Where is... I had to use my phone for my script. But that's all of them, right? That shows... So now in theory... Now from here, though... Oh. You can even do without the Lumen Matte with 2 layers. You can do it all in Key Light Effect. Select from the view Lumen Matte. Are all of the green screenshots separate files, and play with the setting. All the screen. Okay, maybe I can show you guys from Premiere. I'll just drag that in here for you guys real quick. Whoa, whoa, whoa. sure you're offline. So this is what I had done before. I had like all of the shots, and then anytime that I went to go like, here, I'll move this open. You can see this is like me looking at my phone because this is typically when I'm doing an episode, that's what happens. Oh, I see my live stream, I think, might have disconnected. Is that what I'm seeing? Oh, man. Did it? Nope, no, it did not. Hey, from New Zealand. Tyler. I'm assuming your name's Tyler. Well, that's freaking awesome. Dude, you don't know how many times I've done it the other way, and I knew that there was a better way to do that. So I'm going to call you Greek God from now on. Thank you for that. I knew it had to be something just as easy as that to make it apply to all of those clips, because that was driving me absolute ape shit trying to figure that out. And every week when you're trying to release an episode with, on top of just working and life in general getting in the way, I haven't had a minute to actually sit down and look at a better way to do this. And I'm trying to make things faster around here so that I can get episodes out a lot quicker. But yeah, dude, I appreciate it. That's the whole reason I wanted to go live today. So I definitely appreciate it. So now here's the question. Will that go back to... If I go into Premiere now... Right, okay, so now I need a... Okay, I just need to redo it, which is not a big deal because that literally took seconds to do. Pre-composing. Let's see. Oh yeah, just show everybody my desktop. That sounds great. 10 days into the life, you have helped a lot. 80 more perm days. Nice, Sean. Glad I could help. Yeah, see, without doing it with 2 layers, but hey, it's okay. Yeah, thank you, Greek God. You're like a Spider-Man, right? Everybody gets one, and then you're gonna go help some other poor bastard. Well, dude, I appreciate that. I'm gonna get back to work on this because I'm trying to get this episode out. But thank you so much. Gonna have a new episode coming out somewhere in the near future, probably within the next, I don't know. I'm hoping in the next 2 days because I got a lot more that I have to do in the next couple of weeks. So appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And yeah. How do I stop? Oh, see ya.